Hi, today
We talk about DNA replication method. It is the process by which DNA makes its own replica or copy. The main enzyme is DNA-dependent DNA polymerase, or DNA polymerase simply. It has a high speed and accuracy. For speed, we can calculate one for E. coli. E. coli have base pair 4.6 into 10 to the power 6 base pair, and he divide in 80 minutes. If we can divide the base pair by the time, we obtained 2000 base pair per second form. So we can call the DNA polymerase at high speed, and any mistake during DNA replication, if not corrected, can lead to the mutation. So we need accuracy, and DNA polymerase give it. If any wrong nucleotide, he extract it and replace it, because DNA polymerase have proofreading enzymes. Now we talk about the replicon. Replicon means a unit of replication. In the prokaryotic DNA has a monorepliconic condition, and eukaryotic DNA has a multi-repliconic condition. In the prokaryotic has a single ORI or ORI, origin of the replication. It means the where replication started, and the DNA is circular, so it's only have a one ORI. In eukaryotic DNA, it's linear and large, so have a many ORI, also have a many replicons. Now start the replication process. First, bind the DNA double strand with a helicase enzyme, also called the unwindase. It's break the hydrogen bond and convert the double-stranded DNA into single-stranded DNA. Then a single-stranded binding protein prevent the pairing of separated two DNA strand, and this protein also help from preventing the single-strand DNA cut from the nuclease. And then next enzyme is topoisomerase or nuclear gyrase. It's reduce the tension in DNA by the cutting DNA strands. Then enzyme has a primase for the synthesize a small piece of RNA that provide free OH group for start the replication. Because in DNA polymerase do not have a combinity to initiate replication, as it does not have any free OH group. Then next, the polymerase. Polymerase in prokaryotic has a three type: polymerase 3, 1, and 2. Polymerase 3, the main enzyme for polymerization, and polymerase 1, proofreading enzyme. And if the polymerase 1 is not work and it's not sufficient, then the polymerase 2 come in scene. Then next enzyme is exonuclease. When the replication is end, we need to remove the RNA primer. And exonuclease also pull up the DNA from cytoplasm and fill the gap where RNA is present. Then last enzyme is ligase or molecular glue. It's make the phosphodiester bond between two DNA strands, or called the Okazaki fragments, because the first scientist who discovered this is Okazaki. So the fragment formed in lagging strand is Okazaki fragment. That's all the about DNA replication.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.